breaks over sub-Saharan Africa, a new day begins. A day in which one company stands out from the rest of the world. CNC Clear Cut, a company that's at the forefront when it comes to the designing, developing and manufacturing of plasma cutting solutions. CNC Clear Cut is a leading South African precision engineering company based in Rossland, Gauteng. Our core product, industrial CNC plasma tables, are designed, developed and tested for all conditions. Engineered and manufactured by highly motivated, skilled professionals taking pride in their work, ensuring the best possible products and services. CNC Clear Cut places great emphasis on professional training as well as maintaining continued support and liaising with its customers. On-site training and instructions on the background of plasma cutting is included as part of the solution implementation. This includes safety precautions and the various features of products and equipment. CNC Clear Cut offers precision-engineered, user-friendly, high-quality CNC plasma tables with sizes ranging from 1.3 by 2.5 and 2.8 by 13 meters with a cutting thickness of 1 millimeter to 50 millimeters. CNC Clear Cut continually strives to improve, create and develop new products for the increasing demand clients encounter. Backed by a dedicated technical support team that offers services such as free phone-in assistance and rapid on-site support, ensuring businesses run fluently. Whether you are an entrepreneur with a small business or a large corporation, CNC Clear Cut covers the complete turnkey solution from software development, assisting in the designing of your product to help keep businesses at the forefront of technology.